Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to stick text to any moving objects in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As you can see here, I have a clip in my timeline. Now we gonna do is place your playhead to the very first frame of your clip. Go to Fusion page, select the media and node, and then press Shift plus space bar. Now under this, select tool menu, search for tracker, then click the add button. Now make sure your tracker node is connected. And then put the tracker box over the object you want to track. And now start tracking. After your tracking is complete, go to Operation tab, and then change the operation mode to match move, and then bring a text plus node, and make sure to connect it to the tracker, and now add your text. At last, again press Shift plus space bar. Now under this, select tool menu, search for transform. With the transform node selected, we can easily modify the size and the position parameters of the text. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!